And in this video we are going to learn how to find out the price of a bond using PV formula. In previous videos we have found how to find out the manual cash flows and then how to find out the price using the annuity formula. Now that is very simple formula. We have like four different bonds here and we have to calculate their price. So first of all we need to complete the missing values here. So for bond A, the face value is 1000, annual coupon is 8%. We need to find out the coupon payment. So coupon payment is nothing if you just multiply the face value by the rate of coupon, that is 80. So, and then we need to find out the price. So price we can find using the PV function, means present value function. So rate of interest in this case is coupon rate, that is 8%. And then not coupon rate, sorry, we will take the discounting rate. So discounting rate is 8%. And then n per means number of years to maturity or number of periods. So n per is number of periods, and PMT is the regular payment which we are going to receive, that is the coupon payment, PMT in this case. And then the maturity value, face value, future value, that is 1000. And type, whether we are getting the payment at the end of each period or beginning. So usually we get end of the period, like ordinary annuity thing. And that's it, we got the price, that is 1000. And because since the coupon rate and yield is same, that's why we are getting the exact same price here. All right. So you one thing you may notice that the sign is different here. Future value is positive and present value is negative. That's what happens in finance. Like the inflow of today is actually the when you are investing. So that will be outflow for today, and then after the maturity period, you will get that back. So that will be inflow for you. And if you are you are giving loan to someone, if it is outflow, then after the maturity period that will become inflow for you. So there will always be a change in sign if you are using Excel or any financial calculator. Okay, and now for bond B, let's figure it out. The same thing, coupon payment. So we multiply the face value by annual coupon. So 75, actually this is rounded value, I will just increase the decimals. So that is 7.5. So 75 is the coupon payment. Years to maturity are 20 and required rate of return is 6%. In previous one it was same, now they are different. So we will use PV formula and the discounting rate is 6%. Number of periods is 20. PMT means payment, recurring payment is this, and in future you are getting 1000 as maturity and 0. So this is the price of bond. That has annual coupon 7.5% and required rate of return 6%. Now if we have semi-annual coupon, so PMT we will calculate like the usual way. We multiply the face value by annual coupon, and then since we are getting the coupon frequency is 2, so we will divide that by its frequency. So this is the payment that we are getting in each interval, in each period. So now PV, so PV, and then rate is required rate of return, that is this one. And then since this is semi-annual, so we need to divide the required rate of coupon by coupon frequency. And then number of periods is 20 times, because this is not 20 years to maturity is 20, and number of periods will not be 20, it will be 20 by 2, because you are getting a payment twice a year. And then PMT we have already adjusted, so we don't need to multiply or divide anything. And future value, face value is 1000 and end of period, so we got price here 937.24. Now let's do the same thing for the quarterly bond. You just multiply the face value by the coupon rate and divide that by frequency, because you are getting you're getting payment 4 times a year, so it will be divided by 4. Now bond price, PV, required rate of return is this divided by the coupon frequency, that is 4. Number of periods will be number of period in years multiplied by the frequency, and then PMT is payment. We already adjusted the frequency here, so we don't need to multiply or divide any number. And then face value is 1000 and 0. So we got it. So this is how we calculate the price of a bond using the PV formula. So this is more simpler as compared to the previous methods. So we also have another method that we will learn in the next video. Thank you.